Gonna miss my first Fj62. It's been a ride. She's all right. She's in good hands.
Hell yeah.
Well, we got the 2F motor out of the parts truck. Just coming out. Unfortunately, this stupid exhaust bolt right there is stripped out and give us a hell of a run for our money. And it ain't gonna come out easy if we don't take care of that first. And it just took a tractor trailer jack to get her out. Jeez. Oh, that's where I left my coffee. Right where the 2F used to be. Mike and I went ahead and pulled it. We used our brand new trucker picker, and we picked the 2F sitting under this tarp right here. It's fairly easy. Had everything disconnected. It was actually the best pull we've done so far on one of these. So we're trying to sell this rolling chassis as a roller. It's got good axles and a lot of the body's pretty good. So if you're interested, let me know and we can talk about a deal. All right, it's pretty cool here. Finally made it to this junkyard called Leon's. I'm trying to come to this place forever. And he gave me 20 minutes. Supposedly there's an Fj40 in here. He said this picked like a chicken bone. So I'm trying to find it right now. Gave me some explicit directions and a time limit, so we're running. This place is pretty cool though. Oh, I found her. She's back here. He said she was white. Here she is. Oh, it's got a Chevy 3-block. A Chevy in it, Chevy60. Sweet. Got a cluster that's trashed. Dang. She's still got some guts that are okay, I guess. What's left? Dang. There she sits in the junkyard. Literally decaying away. There's not much left of her at all. But he only gave me a time limit, so saw what I saw. It's time to get back. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just made a whole long trip out here to Charlotte, North Carolina. My parents actually live out this way, and when you do Land Cruiser stuff, you meet really cool Land Cruiser people. So I'm out here, just met the most amazing guy. He's got 10 cruisers. 10?
Yeah, about.
He's got about 10 cruisers. He's got 40s, 60s, 62s, and we just saw a whole bunch of them. I'll cue a lot of that footage in here. So I'll let you take it away.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Mag Deal here in North Charlotte, North Carolina. Just trying to part out some Land Cruisers and help these trucks stay alive. Try to keep them going and help people get some parts and to keep on trucking, man. Nice to talk to you guys. Nice to meet. everybody in the Landcruiser community, it's a nice day today to be driving this beautiful 88, right?
It's an 89.
89 with the 4-speed.
He had to drive my 89 4-speed. That was the conditions of hanging out, so it's okay, totally all right. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description of how to get in contact with him on Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. Great guy, sells tons of stuff, and has got a lot of great rusty golds. All right, so we're at the home base of Sierra Classics. He's got more trucks back here, imagine that. He's got, looks like 4.5 trucks. So what do we got here? What are we looking at here?
Yeah, so basically we got a 74 white Fj40, a 75, early 75, I call it Skittles because it's so rainbow color. A 88 62 back there, a 71 40, and a half of a 62 in the back, and another 75 in the garage. This is just part of the inventory that we're parting out. We have other trucks available at different storage locations, so if you guys need something, give me a ring, talk to Jonah, try to help people out get some parts so they can keep the trucks on the road.
I can't stress enough, this does not even scratch the surface of what he has. You walk into his garage, there's stuff hanging from the rafters. Trust me, if you need something, he probably has it. And it's covered, he's keeping them nice. They're not just sitting out in the rain. This stuff, it just goes on and on and on and on and on. So if he doesn't have it here, he has it at his buddy's shop. But it's a pretty cool space. Definitely come by, talk cruisers for a little bit, pick up some parts, fair pricing. So can't beat that.
Take care, guys.